Rule number 1, sleep is not a luxury. It's a biological necessity. Think of your brain like a computer. During the day, it collects data, but it's messy. When you sleep, your brain initiates a cleanup process. It flushes out toxins, organizes memories, and stabilizes your emotions. In the US, hustle culture tells us to sleep less to do more. Science says that's a lie. One night of poor sleep can drop your cognitive function to the level of someone who is legally intoxicated. If you want to win the day, you must first win the night. Rule number 2, exercise, fuel for the mind. Our ancestors didn't sit in cubicles. They walked 12 miles a day. Our brains evolved while the body was in motion. Exercise isn't just for six-packs. It's for your neurons. When you move, blood flow increases, sending a fresh supply of oxygen and glucose to your brain. This triggers the release of BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, essentially miracle grow for your brain cells. Feeling stuck on a problem? Stop thinking. Start walking. Rule number 3, focus. The death of multitasking. Here's a hard truth. Your brain cannot multitask. What you're actually doing is task switching. And every time you switch, you pay a switching cost. Your IQ literally drops by 10 points when you try to do 2 things at once. To be truly productive, you need deep work. Turn off the notifications, close the extra tabs, and give 100% of your attention to one task. 1% focus on one task creates 100% results. Rule number 4, stress manage the silent killer. Stress was designed to save us from lions, not to handle 500 emails. When you're chronically stressed, your brain is flooded with cortisol. Over time, this actually shrinks the part of your brain responsible for memory and learning. You can't eliminate stress, but you can manage it. Practice power pauses. When you feel the tension rising, stop for 2 minutes. Breathe. Ground yourself. Don't let the stress manage you, or it will break you. Rule number 5, repetition. The path to mastery. The brain follows the rule. Use it or lose it. Most information you learn today will be forgotten by tomorrow unless you repeat it. This is why we remember song lyrics but forget book chapters. To master a skill, use spaced repetition. Review the information an hour later, a day later, and a week later. This moves knowledge from your short-term scratch pad to your long-term hard drive. Rule number 6, visual, the dominant sense. Vision is our most dominant sense. It takes up nearly half of our brain's resources. We are incredible at remembering pictures and terrible at remembering words. If you want to learn something or pitch an idea, don't use a wall of text. Use mind maps, diagrams, and images. If you hear information, you'll remember 10% 3 days later. If you see a picture, you'll remember 65%. Rule number 7, emotion, the engine of action. We think we are logical creatures, but we are emotional ones. We don't pay attention to boring things. Our brain tags memories with emotions. The stronger the emotion, the deeper the memory. If you want to stay motivated, find the why behind your work. Connect your goals to a feeling, pride, excitement, or even the desire to provide for your family. Logic makes us think, but emotion makes us act. Rule number 8, breaks. The recharge. Principle. Your brain works in cycles called ultradian rhythms. After 90 to 120 minutes of high focus, your brain needs a reset. Pushing through the fatigue is a recipe for burnout. Taking a 10-minute break isn't wasting time. It's an investment in the next 90 minutes. Step away, stretch, and let your default mode network take over. This is often when your best ideas, the aha moments, actually happen. These 8 rules aren't just theories. They are the laws of your biology. You can either work against your brain or make it your most powerful ally. Which of these rules are you going to implement today? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more mindset hacks, and share this with someone who needs to unlock their potential. Remember, your mind is your greatest asset. Treat it well. See you in the next one.